Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Denisha, founder of Planning with Precision, where my goal is to help inspire teachers to live a life rooted in health, faith, and happiness. So I do a lot of classroom vlogs, faith vlogs, anything related to teaching and my hobbies. So if that sounds good to you, I really hope you press that subscribe button and also press that notifications button so you'll be reminded when there are any new videos uploaded from me. So in today's video, I wanted to take you along my back to school night, just how I prep for it and get ready. So I'm gonna take you around, show you how I prep for it. I'm also gonna show you the tables that I have for the parents to go to. I do centers. So in the past, I've done like a scavenger hunt where the kids can come and do a little scavenger hunt with their parents. The last couple of years, I've changed it up to do centers. So the parents go to each center, do an activity, and then they can walk around, they can talk to me and ask me questions and do what they need to do. And it works really well. So I'm going to show you my strategies, show you what I use, and I will also have a free download that I will link in the description, so stay tuned to the end of the video. All right, so I'm first gonna start by wiping down all my tables, making sure the surfaces are clean before I put the items out for the parents to collect. So I'll do that first. And I also wanna make sure that my air is on because it seems to have popped off. That's not gonna work. All right, so I'll check back with you in a second. Okay, so now I wipe down the tables and I am going to go around and put out all the items for the parents on the tables ready to go. So after I do all that, I will come back and show you what I have at each table and you can take a look at that and I will get back to you soon. Okay, that was a lot of work, so I was really thirsty. Almost done with my Dr. Pepper, and now I'm gonna get back to work. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you around the tables and show you what I have out for the parents. I'm not gonna get up close on all of the tables just because of privacy of my students. So at this table here, I have a couple surveys for the parents to fill out, the pink papers. The blue papers are something that our school has the parents take home, and then the black and white ones with the apple are for me, and that's just a parent letter explaining the roles of my classroom. So I sent one on the first day of school, but I also do a more in-detailed one for back to school. So that's their center number 1. Center number 2 is Class Dojo. So if the parents are not on Class Dojo by this time, I have the papers out of the students who are still needed to be signed up for Class Dojo, so they can just take that. They can sign up right here on the spot. I can help them, or they can take it home. Center 3, one of my favorites, this is for classroom donations. So if parents want to donate any items to the class, I have them written on these red and green apples. So they just take one, whatever one they want to donate, they take it with them to remind them that's what they're going to donate to the class. So I can also put this in a download in the description box, so you can download it if you want. I love these, it works really well. Pretty much by the end of the night, I probably won't have any apples left, which is great. And then the last center, Center 4. I'm not going to do a close-up. It has my student's name on it, but it has all of their All About Me books. So I usually have some work that they can take home. So they come to this table, look for their book, show it to their parents, and take it home. So that's all my centers. They can walk around, look at the classroom, look at some work, ask me questions, and it's usually a really fun night. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was really helpful. If it was, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will have a link to the apples that the parents can take to volunteer to donate items to the classroom. I'll have it linked in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Until next time, take care. I'll see you later. Bye.